the start of our AI process on our cows. So we have 3 cows. We're going to AI in 10 days. I've got a CIDR applicator. I've got some lube. So the wings go up and then it just slides on in here.
Why? Oh, this is my favorite part.
We've got all this poop on here. So we'll wipe the vagina clean. Annabelle's the worst one.
Sorry.
Okay, so the CIDR's in. Hello, I am Dustin Alleman. This is Alleman Family Homestead. Our hope for this channel is that you are able to pick up a tip, a trick, a gold nugget to help you on your homesteading journey. If that is the case, go ahead, hit subscribe below. Keep bringing those comments. Please drop a comment below. It's gonna help us, help our algorithm, help us get out to more folks like you. Give us a like, give us a thumbs up. Appreciate all of you. Hey, we are 24 hours removed from, unfortunately, having to slaughter our mama pig. I see that rainbow. Izzy's pointing out a rainbow. We just got a huge rainstorm. We are, hey guys, I'm gonna meet you up there, okay? We are 24 hours removed from, it's been a week. It's been a week. It's been a long week, and it's unfortunate that we had to do that, but we do have, you know, the positive spin is we've got a whole hog hanging in the cooler. We're gonna we'll butcher her in a couple of days, get everything in the freezer. But tonight, I'm bringing you along for the start of our AI process on our cows. So we have 3 cows. We're going to AI in 10 days, and tonight starts the process. Look, we've gone down the journey of, oh my gosh, we used to AI Mary, then we tried doing heat. We tried doing, you know, detecting heats and tried AIing that way. Triggering, sorry, I just went off topic. Triggering has been our best rate of return. So when we trigger, and that's what we're gonna do here. So I've got CIDRs. Nat and the kids are gonna meet me up where we milk the cows. We're gonna put a CIDR in 3 of the girls tonight and then trigger, I think it's progesterone. I just do what Allison tells me to do. So I think it's a different sister line or sisterline or something like that. So CIDR in, shot of the progesterone to get we're basically starting the cycle. We're manipulating their cycles. The CIDR does not allow them to go into heat. So we keep that in for the next week. A week from today, we pull the CIDR, then we give them a trigger shot. And then 2 to 3 days later, Allison shows up. We put the semen in and do 1 more shot. And that's it. It's a 10-day process. And then 9 months later, hopefully we have baby calves. So I'm coming out to get these girls. I don't know if you can see this rainbow. This rainbow is pretty cool. I'm gonna try to get it here. We just had a huge rainstorm. I don't know if you guys can see that right over the calves there. It's kind of fading. Yeah, right above that last calf there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Pretty cool. We get some pretty awesome rainbows. This is just kind of a quarter of one, but sometimes you'll see it cross this whole sky. You can kind of see it. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's pretty cool. It's beautiful. It's pretty out here. All right, I'm gonna get these cows up there. We're gonna get them triggered. It is time sensitive, so it's about 5 p.m. That's when we need to trigger them. And all these cows are in heat. Look. All right. Let's see. It's 4:46, so I've got 14 minutes. Yeah, all these cows are in heat. They're mounting each other. So I'm gonna get them up there. We'll get Annabelle in first, and then we've got to get Maybelle and June as well. Let's go, girls. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So much easier when they go in as a pack. They're spread out. They can become butts. Hey, look at them. One of them's in heat. Yeah, so when they're spread out, so I do this every night. I come out, and usually in a couple hours when it's starting to get dark is when I come out. But the whole reason I come out at night is to get Bronco, who is Annabelle, our Jersey, Annabelle's calf. We lock her up at night so that we can milk Annabelle in the morning. Otherwise, if we leave her on, I mean, she'll suck Annabelle dry. We won't have any milk. So we just lock her up at night. However, I have to come get all of them, because if I don't get all of them to come up here, inevitably one of them will run off. You know, if I've got a mama out there, all the calves will run out after her. It just becomes a nightmare. I've tried that, where I had Annabelle like all the way up here with Bronco, and I left the rest of the cows out there, and then the Bronco just took off. She's like, no, I'm not going in there. I'm not getting locked up. So it's just so much easier to get them all in. We got to get them all in tonight anyways, because we got to get 3 of them triggered. Come on, girl. All right, Nat's got her tied up, so we harness her and then we tie her to the front, because I've got to get this CIDR in her. Here's this, baby. Even if you want to tie her up so we don't have to chase her around. All right, so Nat got a harness on Maybelle, so she'll be next. It's 4:58 and I'm gonna start. So here's what we got. I've got a clean bucket here. I've got a CIDR applicator. I've got some lube, and then I've got soap. I'm gonna have Nat fill this water full of soapy water here when I'm done with Annabelle. We'll clean it in between. And then we've got a shot of 2 mils of sister line or something like that is what I call it, I think. I don't know. All right, so I always glove up. I just don't like all these hormones all over me. The problem with doing this is I have to go help these other cows. I'll probably rip through these. I should have brought some gloves to put over them, but okay. So here's what we do. We've got a CIDR. CIDR wings go up. So the wings go up, and then it just slides on in here.
Oh, this is my favorite part.
This is your favorite part. This is not my favorite part. And then I have lube, and I'm just gonna squirt lube all over this. Can you? Okay, so I've got this. This goes in her vagina. The key is this tail needs to be down. If the tail's up, studies have shown that cows will come pull on it. So you don't want that. You don't want that going on. I also have got all this poop on here. So we'll wipe the vagina clean. Annabelle's the worst one. She does this back and forth stuff. Hey guys, I got it. Okay. Okay, so the CIDR's in, and I need the soapy water. Nat just went to get soapy water. I'm going to put this in here just to clean it. While Nat's bringing that over, I've got the 2 cc's. Yep, here comes the poop. This is very normal. While she's pooping, just don't touch that, I'll get it. I'm going to give her a shot while she's pooping.
You actually got me the hose. Abby, you got me the hose between the legs? Okay, girl.
Okay. She's done. On to the next. All right, so I'm just gonna wash this. I've got soapy water here. We're gonna let her out and go get the next one.
She's pretty calm. I think that's what you did last time. Left. Left.
Move, let's go.
She's the one in here, I think.
Who? Yeah. Oh, this is gonna work. Over here. I think we got her in. Yeah, there's no way. This isn't gonna work.
All right, let's get in. Get in. Come on, girl.
Go.
What's the stick? Yeah.
This one's a lot easier, usually. Come on, June. Here, why don't you lead her? She doesn't like me behind her. Let's go. Go, June. Let's go. Go. Come on. Come on, girl. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Okay, so we got, took a little longer than I wanted. Took about 25 minutes for all three. The second one, Maybelle, was just a butt. She just would not move. Natalie had the good idea of bringing alfalfa in, and that finally enticed her to get in. So started at 5, ended at 5:25. So as long as we just maintain that, next week, a week from today, we're gonna do the same thing. At 5, I'll bring Annabelle in, pull out the CIDR, give her a shot. Maybelle, then June. It'll be within, I mean, it's all gonna be within 10 minutes. So we're gonna call it a day. As always, appreciate each and every one of you. Our hope for this channel is that you're able to pick up a tip, a trick, a golden nugget to help you on your homesteading journey. If that is the case, go ahead and hit subscribe. Give us a like, keep bringing those comments. Appreciate y'all. Catch you next time.